Hi, I am Angel Miss Crapida, a third year Bachelor of Elementary Education student. In my free time, I enjoy watching and Chinese dramas, creating TikTok videos, and playing badminton and volleyball to stay active. I also love traveling and exploring beautiful places with a breathtaking view. I choose Bachelor of Elementary Education because of my passion for teaching and my desire to shape young minds. I believe elementary education lays the foundation for lifelong learning, and I want to be part of a child's growth and development. Teaching is more than imparting knowledge. It's about inspiring, nurturing, and guiding students to become responsible individuals. I choose Cebu Institute of Technology University because of its strong academic reputation and commitment to produce competent educators. CITU provides high-quality educations, hands-on training, and real-world teaching experiences that prepares me to be an effective teacher. With its culture of excellence, leadership, and service, I am confident that CITU will help me equip with the skills and values to make a meaningful impact in education. Thank you.